To apply for a job in Indeed Canada, start by creating a profile on the Indeed website. Go to Indeed.ca and click on the Upload Your Resume button to begin the process. You will be asked to create an account by providing basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once your account is set up, you can upload your resume and complete your profile by adding relevant work experience, skills, and education. Make sure your resume and profile are up to date and tailored to the type of job you are applying for. Next, search for jobs by using keywords related to the position you are looking for. You can also use the location filter to search for jobs in a specific city or province. Browse through the job listings and click on the ones that match your criteria. When you find a job you are interested in, click on the job title to view the job description and requirements. Read the job description carefully and make sure you meet the qualifications. If you are still interested in the job, click on the Apply button to submit your application. You will be asked to provide additional information such as your availability, salary expectations, and a cover letter. Make sure your cover letter is tailored to the job and highlights your relevant skills and experience. After submitting your application, you will receive an email confirmation from Indeed. The employer will also receive your application and may contact you for an interview. Make sure to follow up with the employer if you have not heard back within a week or two. To increase your chances of getting hired, make sure your resume and profile are complete and up to date. Also, apply to multiple jobs to increase your chances of getting an interview. Additionally, practice your interview skills and be prepared to talk about your experience and qualifications. By following these steps and tips, you can successfully apply for a job in Indeed Canada and increase your chances of getting hired. Remember to stay positive and persistent. And do not get discouraged if you do not get hired right away. Keep applying and eventually you will find the right job for you.